Hi, and welcome to video number 20 in our series War on Depression with the title An Adult is a Resigned Child. As we stated before, every child comes into this world with the expectation to be welcomed with love. It's our essence. It's in our cell memory. It's in our DNA. It's our IPS. Or inner peace state. It's our home. And when we are born, we expect life to be a reflection of home, of unconditional love. Only to find out that unconditional love does not live in the minds and energy of the average parent anymore. Our parents have lost touch with home. They have been programmed and conditioned by their parents, their grandparents, their great-grandparents, etc. They have been conditioned to resign from the intuitive notion of home, of love, and have surrendered to the harsh and rational world of the adults. Still, as a little child, you expect unconditional love, unconditional care, and unconditional connection on an emotional level. Only to find out that love is not unconditional, so the next thing you do is to try to obtain love via meeting conditions, living up to expectations. In the meantime, you try as a child to make your parents aware of the message of home and to return to love, because you sense that in a way they lost track of their way back home. You sense their homesickness and you try to make the message from home clear to them, but they don't want to listen. They are the adults, they know it all. They know best and they hold all the power cards. Thus, frustration kicks in. More and more, the little child you once were becomes frustrated and desperate in bringing the message of home. If only your parents would understand the message of true, sincere, and honest love, then you would also feel at home and truly safe. But you fail. You create guilt upon your shoulders. Your nest feels unsafe because of a lack of love and honest love. And this drives you into survival mode because you are still depending on your nest, your parents, for the fulfillment of your needs. And without them, you will die because you cannot yet take care of yourself. In the meantime, you still do everything to tell them or make them aware of the message of home. And still, they don't want to be taught by you, just a little child. And your frustration grows, and your denial grows, your dissatisfaction grows, anger and a sense of danger grow, and despair of not being able to show them the message of home grows. Until adolescence, where you felt more or less defeated. Defeated while battling for the truth of home, the truth of unconditional love. So you do what adolescents do. You retreat. You become introverted, very insecure, and a bit anxious about the next phase in your life that's about to start. And you feel a bit depressed as well because you still were not able to clarify your message to your environment, and you start to notice it's hopeless. They will never listen to your message. And we have tried so hard to get something done or to receive something like understanding your message, and in the end, you give up. You gave up your attempts to clarify to your parents the true meaning of life, to live in love. And you felt so freaking lonely because you felt so misunderstood by them, not willing to listen to your message. And you felt loneliness, still remembering the unconditional love energy from home where you came from, but not being able to find a connection in this human life anymore. And you start to realize you cannot go on like this. It would destroy you. It would make you the misfit, the black sheep that doesn't fit in. And this means they might kick you out of the nest or family, leaving you physically alone while already being energetically alone. So in the end, you make the most important decision of your life. You decide to surrender and resign to adult life. Disconnect yourself from the love energy and dive into the adult world of fear. Educate yourself, or else. Find the right partner, or else. Reproduce, or else. Work harder, or else. Buy yourself a big house, or else. Be perfect, or else. Be responsible, or else. Please others, or else. Don't stick out, or else. Don't enjoy your life too much, or else. Don't show the world your true gift and message, or else. And you assimilate. Resistance seems futile. You assimilate into the adult world of fear, hoping that this silent voice, still reminding you of your home and true essence, unconditional love, will shut the fuck up. And it doesn't shut up. That's why you do not feel so well right now. You are still homesick. And it does not go away, not yet. Not by continuing your resignation into the programmed adult world we also call the Matrix. It doesn't go away, no matter how hard you try. The voice of home is still calling you, patiently, lovingly. Please, come home. It's safe. See you next time in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.